So today I need to tackle this scale though. So I've got the Descaler. If you want an easy to use, super simple way to get the scale off, this is like literally unbelievable. And if you use it with the handheld cleaning system, which is actually on sale this month, you can get it for like super cheap. I was super excited when I saw that. It's never been on sale before. Then it's like you're gonna go through way less Descaler. I had some customers who are like, I go through like a whole bottle in like a month, and I'm like, that's crazy. So if you do it this way, that will no longer be the case. Okay, so I'm gonna do 3 sprays on this back wall. Maybe 4, maybe 1 on the bottom there. And let's may as well get this side while we're at it. To show you just how absolutely easy this is. And so I've wet down the wet mop pad, and this is the EnviroCloth for your windows, your walls, and obviously your tile. And I'm just gonna really gently move all that Descaler around. So then it just evenly coats it all. And you don't have to be like spraying a bazillion sprays to get it all around here, right? So now you could do this with your EnviroCloth, that would totally work. But I am all about easy, please. Just gently. Oh man, I can see it taking it off already. It's so awesome. So we're just gonna, once I'm done with this here, we're just gonna let it sit for a few minutes. They say 10 minutes, but you don't want it to dry. So I think it takes a little bit less time than 10 minutes, depending on maybe the climate in your shower. I'm just showing you just how absolutely easy this is. And so the thing is, with this handheld cleaning system, if you have the Enviro wand already, and say you have the mini mop system or even the big mop system, guess what, guys? You can pop the handle off that Enviro wand and stick it onto your mop head, and then you have a homemade handheld cleaning system. So great, right? All the things are interchangeable with Rolex, which is so awesome. Doesn't matter if you bought your mop 25 years ago, it's still gonna work. Okay, so now it's time to wipe off the soap, wipe off the Descaler. So I've rinsed this out completely, and I'm just gonna run it over. And if you see the soap bubble, oh man, like I could have used even less Descaler on here. That is so crazy. Okay, so I'm just gonna give this a quick rinse once more. Make sure it's nice and rinsed out. Just do one more quick rinse. And like guys, the scale is gone. This takes 0 effort. And I've done this with, I did this at a lady's house. It was actually my last in-home workshop before COVID. And I did her shower walls were so thickly scaled you couldn't even see through them, and this literally just wiped it away. It was unbelievable. So now this is the window cloth. And so guess what, guys? You can use this on your windows. So you don't have to use the window cloth. You can just use the window mop head. Isn't that amazing? And so I'm going to show you just how easy it is to buff out your tile. It just kind of wipes away the last of the soap there. Oh man, I wish you could see it. You can't really see it, but it's like absolutely amazing. Look at that. Not a lick of scale left on that tile. All right, thanks for hanging in there, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye now.